person. According to the company book, the full permission, go to www.croatian.com/ anti-piracy. Who knows? You have 5 chances. Turn off your TV. You didn't turn off your TV. Your phone is good. Please now turn off your TV. Seriously? You did do this one. Come on. Alright, 3 chances. You can do it. Turn off your TV. Please. Are you kidding me? You didn't use this once again. Really? You're making this man. If they don't like us, we get mad. 2 more chances. Turn off your TV right now.
All right. You're really starting to get on our last nerves. This is your last chance. I swear. If you don't turn off the TV in 5 seconds, you're not going to win.
You did it. Now have to turn off your TV. Thank you for watching.